I will explain how to download a Power BI. There are two options available from Microsoft download page or from Microsoft Windows Store. I will explain what is the difference between these both the link and which one is the best one and when we use this link. The first link is a Microsoft download page. I have opened that same link in Internet Explorer. This web page is loaded. Here you just need to select your language, preferred language, and click on download. It will download the link. I'll explain the next procedure, what are the other steps we need to do. The other option is Microsoft Windows. There are two links available. I'll select the last one. If you are using 365 window, then use this link. When you insert, it will open the Microsoft Store. Here you can use the link because I have already downloaded the Power BI. That's the reason it's showing launch button. If it's not installed, then it will show as install option. Now, what is the difference between these two links? The first link is when you want to update each month, you have to re-download and reinstall. And the second one link, it will be automatically download. Now, if you want that if there's a new update is come and might be there would be any bug in it, so you don't want to download each month and you want to wait for a few days and then after you want to download, then you can use this option, or else you can use the second option. It will automatically download from each month. It will automatically update your Power BI desktop tool every month, because every month there are changes are coming, so it's better to use the second option. From a Windows Store you can download it, so it will automatically always keep to update your Power BI desktop tool. Now, what are the steps? Now I have already downloaded I will explain. I have taken a screenshot to explain what are the steps we need to follow. The first, it will ask you on which version you want to use. Now most of the laptops and computers are coming with a Windows 64-bit, so you can check your system setting and which version. Most of the people are using 64, so I have selected 64-bit. Then you need to click next. There are few steps you need to follow. It will ask, I have taken a screenshot. The first screen will look like this. You need to click on next. You need to accept the license policy. Click on next. It will auto pick up the destination folder. Click on the next, and it will ask for the finished. Then click on finish. It will create a shortcut on your desktop like this. When you click it open, it will show the screen in this way. If you log in, then sign in with your credentials, or if you can click on sign. If you don't have any login ID, you can create it also. Now this is a procedure you can use